Hello?
Hi, this is Patrick. I'm with.
Hey, how you doing, Patrick?
I'm doing good, thanks. We're an ingredient materials developer and glove manufacturer, and we just developed a brand new coating material, and we're looking to partner with more hardware and hardware retail stores that would carry our line.
Mm-hmm.
Would you be interested in reviewing our newest glove?
Yeah, is there any way you can send me some literature on it?
Yeah, I mean,
Email it, possibly?
well, of course. Well, just real fast. So the way it works is we're seeking partners for a glove similar to Maxi Flex in durability, but with a tackier grip for better handling. And our glove features antibacterial fabric, a skin-safe coating, reinforced knit to prevent leakage, and touchscreen compatibility.
Huh.
Yeah, and we
Covering
offer.
all the bases there.
That's right, A to Z. So, high quality, consistent, no headache supply. We offer full back-end support for your inside and outside sales to make sure they succeed with our gloves. And so the reason I was calling to see if you'd be open to a quick Zoom call with my operations manager, so then he can talk to you a little more about it, and then you can, after the call, we can set up some free samples for you.
Okay.
Would you have some time for Zoom on Thursday?
Does it have to be through the Zoom platform? I'm just not terribly familiar. I'm more oriented with Teams.
You're working with Teams? Okay. I mean, we'll send you the link. I'm just looking at schedule. It does say Zoom. I mean, he's our operations guy. I mean, have you ever done a call with Zoom?
I'm sure I have, but it's been at least a couple years.
Okay. I mean, I think it's pretty.
I would imagine it's not terribly rigid.
Yeah, it's pretty user friendly. And if there's complications, I'm sure, if we're having trouble, we could always do a phone call if it's like the day of and you're still having, we're going to confirm anyway, So if you're having issues with the calendar invite, I'm sure we could, set it up via a different way for you. But, like I said, we're going to call to confirm anyway. So, why don't we just set up for the Zoom now? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So on Thursday, you're Eastern time, right?
Yeah, I was gonna ask, is Friday, are there slots open for Friday?
Yeah. So Friday, can we do the afternoon, 2:30?
Yeah, that should work.
Okay. And then your email address so we can send you the link in the calendar invite.
Adam.com.
Okay, so it's and then your last name's @.com.
That's it.
And then they just wanted me to ask, and are you the GM, regional?
GM.
GM, okay. What brand of coated gloves do you currently carry, if any?
Got a couple. They're GloveWorks.
GloveWorks?
GloveWorks, yeah.
Okay.
And Mechanics. The Mechanics is spelled with an X on the end.
Okay.
Mechanics Wear.
Mechanics Wear. Is that W-A-R-E or W-E-A-R?
W-E-A-R.
Okay. Is GloveWorks spelled the regular spelling, or is that different?
Regular spelling on
Okay.
that.
And Mechanics has the X on the end. Okay. Mechanics. Yep. Those are the couple that you carry? Okay.
Yep.
Do you know how much volume do you currently see from coated gloves?
The GloveWorks move pretty decently.
They move pretty decent?
As far as usage, I don't want to put my foot in my mouth. I'd want to go look at some reporting on that. You
want to look at some reporting? That's fine. Understandably so. We don't mean to, I don't mean to stump you at the moment here. So if you could have an info for the call, that'd be good. So those are your two kinds, the GloveWorks and the Mechanics Wear. Okay. All right, cool. So is the gentleman who's going to be sending you the invite for the call? Like I said, it'll be Zoom. Like I said, if there's issues, I'm sure we can resolve. So we'll send that over to you for Friday the 6th at 2:30.
10-4, sounds good.
All right. Have a good rest of the day. We'll talk to you then.
Bye.
Thanks.